So there's protective cases, and then there's the most protective case. And by most protective, I mean the winner of the annual CNET Drop Test Award for most feet dropped. This was dropped from 20 feet at the last CNET show, no damage. So if that's not a good selling point for you, I don't know what is. But either way, this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, and it brings that 20 feet of drop protection here with it now in the year 2019. So let's take a closer look at the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. I recently reviewed this for the Samsung Galaxy S10 when it came out earlier in the year, and this one holds up just as well. It has all the wonderful features like the kickstand, so you can put your phone case horizontally or vertically, just like in the picture there, so you can watch your shows, listen to your tunes, or just go hands off with your phone. In addition to that, it does support wireless charging as long as it's not in the holster. The holster kind of keeps it from doing the wireless charging thing. But one thing you do need to know, and this is on the label, you need to make sure you are using the official Samsung wireless charger, and you have to let it sit there for 7 seconds before it will start charging. Not really sure how they come up with all these mathematics, but it may not work with other wireless chargers, or you may need to make it sit there for a little while before it makes that wireless connection. But it's supposed to work. Now, it has port plugs to keep out dirt, dust, and moisture. Of course, it has a built-in kickstand. There's no screen protector included in this one. You know, last year before, whenever you had the Note 9, you could still have the screen protector because the fingerprint sensor was on the back. Well, with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor under the screen with these new phones, it doesn't quite work out that way. So they eliminated the protective screen that came with it. But you still get 360 degrees of wraparound security because not only is it protective on the sides and on the back, but it has the overlapping lip on the front, which is raised, which gives you an extra layer of protection if you place your phone down. Now the buttons are nice and snappy. They've got great tactile feedback. They're not hard to press at all. So the power button, volume rockers are solid. You have the nice textured grip on the sides, which is really good. It'll make sure that you can hold onto your phone and keep drops from happening before they start. You get the SUPCASE logo there. Now, one curious thing here is you do have this little lip that goes over the stylus port where that's at, but I think that's a good thing because it will keep you from inadvertently pressing it and making the stylus pop out inadvertently. And then you have the nice dust cover for the USB-C connector to keep dust and other stuff from getting inside of there. Now you've got that carbon fiber texture on the back, and then you have those little dimples right there made out of the TPU material, so if you place it down on the surface, it shouldn't slide around. So that's one extra feature that's added as well. You get the recessed cutout protection for the cameras, so whether you get this for the Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus, you have the triple or quadruple camera array set up on the back, and you can set your phone down without a worry in the world because this will make sure that it keeps them from getting scratched. Now that protective lip I was talking about, you can see it right there very easily. It's on the top and the bottom of the phone, and what that does is it keeps the screen raised up off the surface. So if you take your phone, place it down on a flat surface, the surface will not come into contact with your screen. That's a great feature. Of course, you do want to put a screen protector on there, one that will work so you can still use the fingerprint sensor, but also one that keeps you from scratching it up. Now to take this apart is very simple, very easy. Right there on the bottom right corner, you can use your thumbnail or you can use a coin, and you can get it in there and pop the edge off. Once you get that first edge off, the other one comes right off, and then you can pull the back off. And then you have easy access to your phone to take it out of the front part of the case, which is the phone tray. Then if you want to go ahead and install it, you just do the reverse. You put the phone inside the front portion of the case, which is the phone tray. Make sure it goes in there, buttons to the button side. You can see everything's nice and flush. You can see the buttons through those cutouts. Then you pop it into the bottom part of the case. Put the bottom in first where the ports are at on the bottom. That way it'll go in properly and it won't bind up, because if you try and put it in top first, it can have some issues. Then once you do that, go ahead and seal up by pushing around the edges, and then voila, you have the case installed. So super easy, not too difficult at all. And if all of that wasn't enough, you have this convenient carrying holster that you can put it in as well. You just pop the one side in, push the other side, and it locks into place. It's got the rotating clip on the back that you can put on your belt, so you can move it around in a 360-degree radius. So that's all I've got on the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.